how's it going? We got us a Garrett Ace 150 here with a stock coil, and what I'm going to do is run this through my test bed, mainly just to see how well it stacks up against other detectors, of course, and see if it will perform any better than other detectors in its price range, or maybe, never know, maybe it'll perform better than detectors quite a bit more expensive than it. But only one way to find out. There isn't much to these detectors. You got your power, your sensitivity, and then you got 3 different modes for all metal, jewelry, and coins. Now, it's not true all metal, of course, so I'm going to hurry up and get up there and get rolling so I can get some results, and we will find out if Garrett's low-line Ace 150 does better than other detectors. All right, I'm up in my test bed, same as usual. Got a lot of targets to go through, variety of everything, and then we'll do some small items. Like I said, this is a turn on and go detector. I will attempt to run sensitivity all the way up, and for right now, what we'll do is go with jewelry mode and preset ground balance, so no worries there. Okay, the first target you're looking at is 1/4 4 inches deep. Hit it pretty good. 1/4 8 inches deep. You're not going to find one. 8 inches is a little too much for it, it looks like. Let's go to all metal. Hits it one way. I'll be damned. I'm going to have to stick with all metal. I forgot this does have different tones, so we'll do that. Next up is 1/4 10 inches deep. Not doing it. Next up is a dime 4 1/2 inches deep. You dig that. A dime 8. Look at all this stupid mud. It snowed last night and melted already. And now a dime 8 inches deep. Not doing it. Now we have a nickel 6 inches deep. It's hitting it one way. Two ways. Nickel 8 inches deep, and I got a stupid mole keeps coming in there and digging that damn shit up. I'm going to get a mole trap out yet. Ain't pulling that nickel 8 inches. Oh, maybe. No. Now, of course, it'll hit this as a copper penny, 2 inches deep. That is coming up as a quarter or a coin. This is what kind of bothersome is with detectors like this. You got a copper penny and a zinc penny, and they read identical. So what I do there is give 1 point each for them, because it cannot separate them out. As you've seen on other videos, there's a lot of detectors out there. You can tune out that zinc. Now a silver ring, 6 inches deep. It's a small silver ring, so it does struggle with smaller coils. Hitting it that way. But not this way. Once in a while only. Can only give it 1 point for that. Now a Morgan dollar at 11 inches. Not doing it. And it's not going to do it on this 15-inch deep candle holder. Nowhere near. Didn't think it would. Everything struggles with that. Now how about a bottle cap 4 inches deep? Let's see what it comes up as. I'd be thinking that was a coin there. Not good. Tell you right now, big problem with this will be you'd be digging a ton of bottle caps the way that one just come up, thinking they're coins. Now, I have it in all metal now, keep in mind, but this is a dime 4 inches deep with 4 rusty nails around it. It is coming up fully into iron right now. Let's go this way. Huh. Pretty good, it hit it one way. Now we got a quarter, 3 inches deep with a big rusty nail beside it. It's kind of telling you one way that it's a quarter. This way, no. Kind of weird. Never had a detector hit one way and not the other. Just going back and forth, so. Tell you what, we're giving her a 1. Now 2 pull tabs 3 inches deep. Coming right up, pull tab. That's a good job there. Large piece of can slaw 3 inches deep. Oh boy, there we go again. Telling you right away it's a coin. A quarter on end, 4 inches deep. Coming up iron. Once in a while comes up pull tab. Can't give you nothing for that. A 10-cent piece 4 inches deep with 2 rusty nails on it. It's floating everywhere, but mainly coming up iron. And there we come up with coins and pull tab. We'll give her 1. Now here's a recovery and separation. We got a penny, a nickel, and a dime. 2 inches apart, 3 inches deep. Passed that pretty good, actually. Not too bad, 2 points. Got a 1 cent, a 10 cent, with 7 rusty nails around them. There's 1. No, not going to do that one. It's that 1 right there, though. Hitting that one. Tell you what, we'll give it 1. Here's a quarter, a full foot deep. Didn't think so. Now here is a 22 bullet, 2.5 inches deep. Oh, just not sensitive enough. Whoa. I wouldn't dig that, I don't think. I would not dig that. Here's a dime, 4 inches deep with 5 rusty nails 2 inches above them. pretty much coming up solid iron. Now a dime 11 inches deep. Nada, nothing. Okay, this here is a quarter that's buried in hot soil. A lot of hot rock, salt, you name it, is in this soil. That ain't where the quarter is. That ain't where the quarter is. It's right there. Not doing it. I'm giving a big fat 0. All right, now we're going to move down to the air test of real small target. Okay, I got sensitivity maxed out, all metal mode. First up is a 24 karat gold, which equals 1 grain's worth of it. And we'll see if it hits it. Pretty good, actually. Look at that. Make sure nothing else is doing it. Hits it pretty good. And now we have a iron meteorite with some iron in it. Not a lot, but there is iron. No. Well, right there it's hitting it. But if you're to swing it sideways, it ain't. A little bit. We'll give it 1. Give it 1 for that. Now this one will be hard. This is 0.46 grams of a meteorite that fell in Wisconsin on 4/14/2010. Very, very small. It's a stony meteorite. Hardly any iron in it. Didn't think so. Did not think so. Last but not least, 3 pieces of copper. A little bigger one, medium one, and a very, very small one. That small one is way smaller than that grain of gold. Start out with a big one. Look at that. Pretty good. This one. Another good one. That little one. No, they ain't gonna find it, but that's still quite impressive for that cheap detector. Or what should I say, not a high-priced one. All right, got my results here. We ended up with 28 points out of 66. In all honesty, not too bad for how fair price this metal detector is. And what I'll do is, right now I'm going to put in a little thing of what I've tested, and as you can see where this would have rated on that scale. And not too bad. Other than my biggest gripe with this machine would be, it would probably irritate me. I'd be slaying bottle caps thinking they're coins. It doesn't look like there's any way to separate them. Aluminum, same way. Can slaw, you're going to be digging that. And then like a 25 cent on end, 4 inches deep, that come up with iron, you'd be missing that. And to me, that's kind of big with a detector. I'd say, be wasting a lot of time trying to get it, but depth-wise, not terrible. And your copper and zinc, don't plan on separating out on them, so there are some negatives with it, but overall, for just a turn-on-and-go detector that's cheap, you can't really complain. So there you go, the Garrett Ace 150 in-depth test.